And now, the Tommy Barlet Show proudly presents the pinnacle of extreme motorsports. To my left, we have constructed an ominous 50-foot orb. This colossal contoured cold steel cage will now serve host as we merge man, metal, and machine. A daring date with destiny. Meet the Nerveless Knox and their Globe of Thunder. Standing high on top of that globe is Carolina. And to my left, here's Cyrus, followed by Louise. As Cyrus prepares to enter that globe, let's get ready to face the danger! About to put his motorcycle skills to the test, showing you all why he is one of the very best. And off! Circling the equator. Now, thanks to noise! My oh my, what a ride! As he exits that pole and brings himself center stage, ladies and gentlemen, only 15 years old. Give it up for Cyrus. But now Louise is entering that globe to test his wheel against that cold, hard steel. But folks, would you like to see him get even more extreme?